Let's be honest, your vacation deserves more than a taxi. It deserves Orem transfers, where the ride is just as unforgettable as the destination. You step off the plane, no stress, no delays. Your driver? Already there. Your bags? Handled. Your champagne? Chilled. This isn't just a transfer, it's a statement. Whether you're heading to Montego Bay, Ocho Rios, or a tucked-away retreat in Negril, we take you there in absolute style. Ready to ride? It's easy. Choose your date. Pick your time. Tell us where to scoop you up. Airport, villa, resort, you name it. One way or round trip? We've got it covered. Want to dial up the island vibes? Add some extras. Champagne on arrival, a fresh tropical bouquet, cold red stripe for the ride, or a curated Jamaican welcome basket. It's more than a transfer. It's your golden gateway to paradise. Visit oremtransfers.com. Let's make this journey unforgettable. From start to spectacular finish. Orem Transfers, where luxury meets the road.